Hello guys, in this part we are going to learn about how to list out the Bluetooth paired devices on an Android device. So here I already created a project. Here I already created a project called a pair list, and here I already added a button. Whenever the user click the button, it will start a new activity, and that activity will list out all the paired devices on your phone. So for that I just create a new activity. So create a new Java class and name it as pairing list, and now browse for the superclass and browse for the superclass for that class. Here the superclass is activity, so choose activity. Okay, now click OK and click finish. Now we got that class that extends that activity class. Okay, now we have to create the layout for this new activity. So right click the layout folder and create a new Android XML file and choose other option and choose the Android XML file, and I name it as pairing list. And name it as pairing list layout. I name it as pairing list layout and choose the relative layout for that layout and click finish. Now we got the layout for the new activity. Now go to the pairing list.java class file. Now override the onCreate method. Now we have to set the content view for that layout, content view for this new activity. So set content view r.layout dot that layout name. The layout name is pairing list layout. Okay, save the project. Now go to the layout. Here I am going to add a list view for list out the paired Bluetooth devices. So here I am going to add a list view. So choose the list view option. First I have to provide an ID for the list view. So choose the Android ID option and choose the @ID, and I name it as list view ID. Now we have to set the layout for the list view. So first we have to set the Android layout width, and I give it as match parent. So the layout width for the list view is match parent. Now set the height of the list view, Android layout height. I will make it as wrap content. Now save it. Now we add a new list view on the newly created layout. Okay, now go to the main activity.java file. Now go to the manifest file. Here we need to add the new activity on the manifest file. So I just copy that activity, paste it here, provide name for the activity. Here the name of the newly created activity is pairing list. Now provide an intent filter name for the newly created activity. Here I provide the intent filter name as pair filter. Okay, it is not a launcher activity, it is a default activity, so to change the category as a default. Okay, now we successfully add the new activity on the Android manifest.xml file. Now go to the main activity again. Now here we need to add a button, so add a button, create an object for the button. You need to import button here, import button. Now we have to connect the button into the ID of the layout using find view by ID method. So bn equal to find view by ID or dot id dot, that ID for the button is button 1, provide it button 1. So it's an object, you need to cast it here. Here the object type is button, so cast it into button. Okay, now create the action listener for the button. So bn dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Okay, now we got the on click method. Here you need to import some package, so import the on click listener package. Okay, so the first step, you need to check whether the device support Bluetooth or not. So we need an object of Bluetooth adapter here. So create an object of Bluetooth adapter and name it as B adapter. So the first step is to check whether the device support Bluetooth or not. So B adapter equal to Bluetooth adapter dot get default adapter. Using the method called get default adapter, it will return an object if that device support Bluetooth. If not, it will return null, so we have to check it. So if B adapter is null, that means there is no Bluetooth adapter found on the device. If B adapter is null, so provide an information to the user using a toast dot make text, get the base context and provide a text, provide an information here. No Bluetooth device found. Okay, now provide length for the toast, provide a duration for the toast dot length long, and make the toast visible using the show method. Okay, so on the else part, that means the device has Bluetooth, so we have to first check if the Bluetooth is already on or not. So here I am going to start another if loop. If not, B adapter dot is enabled. It will return true if the Bluetooth is already on, return false if the Bluetooth is not already on. Okay, now if the Bluetooth is not on, now we have to start the Bluetooth so we need an integer value called a request code. So we have to invoke the Bluetooth adapter using start activity for result. So you need another variable, an integer variable called a request code. I initialize it with 1. So here I am going to start an indent object for starting the Bluetooth. So intent I equal to new intent call that class called the Bluetooth adapter dot action request enable, Bluetooth adapter dot action request enable. Okay, we need to import intent here. Now you can start the Bluetooth adapter using start activity for a result. And provide the indent object. Here the indent object is I, and here the request code is request code. Provide that variable name. Okay, Now we successfully start the Bluetooth. So you need to create a method called onActivityResult. If it get a result okay, we successfully switch on Bluetooth. So here you need to create that method called onActivityResult, public void onActivityResult. There are three arguments for this method. First argument is the request code, int request code. Second argument is the result code, and final argument is a data object called indent object. Okay, indent data. So first we have to check the request code, matching for the request code. So we have to check that first. If request code, if the argument request code is same as the variable on this class called request code, if request code equal to request code, so now we have to check Bluetooth device is on or not. If it is successfully turned on, it will return a result okay, otherwise it will return a result cancelled. So if result code equal to result okay, if result code equal to result okay, that means Bluetooth is now turned on, and provide an information to the user using a toast. So start a toast here. Toast dot make text, get base context. Now provide a text. Bluetooth successfully turned on. Bluetooth successfully turned on. Provide a duration for the toast. Toast dot make it as long. Now okay, now we have to get the paired list. So we need another object here called so we need a list object for getting the paired Bluetooth devices. So I create a set variable here, set it is of type Bluetooth device. So provide that also Bluetooth device, and provide a variable name. I provide the variable name as paired, name it as paired devices. Paired devices is a set of type Bluetooth device. Okay, so now we have to get all the paired Bluetooth devices to that list. So paired devices equal to, using the Bluetooth adapter object, be adapter dot get bounded devices, using the method called get bounded devices. This method will return all the paired devices, Bluetooth paired devices on that particular device into that list object called paired device. Here is a warning is present. Okay, you have to make the toast visible using show method. That is the warning. Using the show method, you have to make the toast visible. That is the warning here. Okay, now we got all the devices on the list called the pair devices. Okay, now I am going to get all the pair devices into a string array from this list. Now I am going to convert all the Bluetooth bounded devices from the list to a string array. So I have to initialize a string array here. So declare a string array, string plist is a string array, string plist. Now I have to get all the pair devices into the string array. So first I have to get the count of the pair devices. So we need to initialize that particular string array using this count. So using a method called size, this will return the total number of devices, pair devices available on that particular device. Also create a variable, initialize a variable with value 0, and here start a for each loop for. Here I start a for each loop for, and provide a variable here that is of type Bluetooth device. I name that variable as a device, provide a colon here, and provide that list object here. Here the list object is paired devices, okay. Now I have to assign a very device name into that particular string array called plist. So plist of j equal to plist of j equal to device, plist of j equal to device. Okay, there is something error surplus and increment the value of j plus increment the value of j, variable j. Here some errors are occur. So the variable name is device, that is correct. What is it? Okay, you need to convert it into string. So sorry, there is another method called get device name. So get the name method using that method called the get name method and change it into a string value. So string. Okay, now it is okay. Also there is a okay. Also there is a warning is here. We use the we not initialize that particular string array. So plist equal to new string. You need to initialize that particular string array. Here we initialize that particular string array using the number of devices available on that particular device. Okay, so now we got all the paired devices on that particular string array. Okay, now I am going to pass this string array into a bundle object. So create an bundle object here, bundle bn equal to new bundle. Just create an object of bundle class. Now I put that particular string array into this bundle object. So using the method called put string array, and provide a key for that particular value. Here I give it as pairs and provide value. Here the value is that particular string array called the plist. Okay, now we have to pass this to the second activity. So for that we need an indent object. So indent I equal to, I give it as indent in equal to new indent. Here the indent object, indent filter name is, so go to the manifest file. We need to check it first. Go to the manifest file. Here the second activity indent filter name is pair filter. Okay, pair filter is the indent filter name. Now come back to the main activity. Here the indent filter name is pair filter. Now we can start that particular activity. So start activity. Before we need to add that particular bundle object into the indent object. So put extras using the method called put extras. Provide that bundle object name. Here the bundle object name is bn. Okay, now we can start that particular second activity. So start activity. Here the indent object name is in. Okay, now we successfully start the second activity. Now go to the second activity. here is the second activity, layout. Here we add a list view called that id is list view id. So first we have to create an object of list view here. List view L view. You need to import list view. Now connect the list view object to that particular id available on the layout. So L view equal to find view by id method. Find view by id dot id dot that list view id is list view id. Okay, now it is an object, so you need to cast it into list view. So list view. Okay, now you need a string array. Before we have to catch that bundle object. So bundle, we need to catch the bundle object from the indent available here. So bundle bn equal to first got the indent, get indent method. Now get the extras available on that particular indent. So we got the bundle object here. Here also I start the string array. I name it as pairs. It's a string array. So now we have to get the string array available on the bundle into that particular variable called pairs. So pairs equal to bn dot. So pairs equal to bn dot get string array and provide the key for the string array. Here the key is pairs. Okay. Now you need an array adapter object for assigning this value to a list view, assigning this string array into a list view. So we need an array adapter object here. So array adapter, it is of type string. It is of type string. I name it as adapter. Okay. Now you need to initialize that array adapter. So adapter equal to new array adapter. It's of type string. Okay, you need to initialize that particular array adapter. So type is of type string and provide the first argument this and provide the second argument as android dot r dot layout dot symbol list view 1, symbol list item 1. Okay. Now provide the source for the array adapter. Here the source is that particular string array called the pairs. Okay, now we successfully initialize the array adapter. So now we need to add the array adapter into the list view using set adapter method. So lview dot set adapter using the method called the set adapter and provide that array adapter name. Okay, now we successfully complete the coding. So now one more thing you need to add the permission for using the Bluetooth. So go to the manifest file. You need to add a permission for using the Bluetooth available on that particular device. So use permission, provide the permission name, android name equal to android.permission dot here the permission name is Bluetooth, android.permission.bluetooth. Okay, successfully add the permission name. Now I complete the coding for that particular project. Now you need to check it out on a real device. So you need to obtain the APK file. So just run the project and go to the bin folder from the bin folder you get the you will get the corresponding APK file. Okay, here is the APK file. Here it is, pair list.apk. Copy this and run it on a real device. Thank you for watching.